Okay, so here's the keyboard, and right here, that's the home row. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, and semicolon are these dots. So you see the colors on here. All these that are pink is for this left-hand pinky, okay? And all on this side are for the right-hand pinky. Each letter has its own finger. So the home row is this: A, S, D, F, G and H are empty in the middle, J, K, L, and semicolon, okay? And my thumbs rest on the space bar. Now you see, your fingers are not the same length. If they were just flat across, you would look like you were a Lego person, okay? They're different lengths. So if you just put them flat on your keyboard, they will not touch the right keys. You need to curve your fingers like a bear, okay? Don't be all stiff, be relaxed, but they curve so that they all fit on their keys, and then you relax your hand, okay? And then the other side. Notice that the G and the H are empty, okay? I want you to pretend that G and H are hot like a stove. So if you push one because you need to use an H, you come right back off it. I don't want to see you resting on it like this, okay? G and H should always be empty in the middle. Now, when you're going to do a letter underneath or above the home row, you're going to reach up but always come back home, okay? So, like for the letter I, it's my middle finger, see, because all the orange ones are the middle finger. I come up, push the I, come back home. Over here, I push the E with my middle finger, come back home. Push the W with my ring finger, come back home. So this is what we want to see all the time. When you start doing the letters that are like down here, do not put your hands down there. You're going to have to reach down, come back home. Reach down, come back home. Okay? And when you do capital letters, you'll shift with one hand and do the letter with the other one. Okay? The shift key is always with the pinky on either hand. So if I'm going to do a capital R, I'm going to shift with my right, do the letter with my left, and then come back home. If I'm going to do the letter P, I'm going to do the shift key first before the letter. Okay? Hold down the shift key with your pinky, do the P, and then you come back home with both of them. Okay.